Nice ride to the Allentown Gun Show. Pretty rainy, but it is December, so hopefully I'll find something cool. Hey!
How you doing?
How are you?
What's going on, buddy?
Good stuff.
I got nothing here. Everything's good. Got a couple of good guns. Yeah. I know much about it. This is Jack.
This is nice.
Yeah.
Is this a Russian?
Yeah.
These are nice.
Rogers, look at them with the studs. You never see them with the studs.
No, that's great.
That's a special bad boys. I wish I had the guns.
That's
But
nice.
somebody traded me something. I took them. I think any day. I think I did all feeling me. How about you?
I know.
How you been? Everything good?
Well, you know where it goes.
I'm pretty sure this is the record. No. Actually, I'm seeing track this and check out it.
Wow, you fine. Not for you, though. That's true. I'm not going to do a poker with you. I worked in EMP. We either had fish or famine on fire. You either had none or you were swimming in it. Yeah, right. One or the other. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
So what are you blowing out?
Everything.
How much is that?
I got 1,500 on it.
At your attention, if you recently did business back on Road 20 with Mike, you left your phone there, you
I
might
think
want
I'm
to
going to
stop
stick it in
and
the
go.
auction. The auction guy is here. I might give him some things to put in there.
Yeah.
You want it? Huh? Francis,
Nice, honey. This child's very nice.
you want it? Maybe trade one.
Trade what?
I don't know. What do you have?
I don't know. What do you got?
Trade my help.
No, but this is hideous.
Huh?
How much is this?
Which one? 16?
1,600?
Yeah. It's nice museum copy.
Yeah, that's nice. You have nice stuff. Very
doing
nice.
with you?
Yeah. Look.
I always see it with you. Nice.
Yeah, it's good. It shows. I don't.
What do you have on the table? You have a table here?
No, I don't have. I don't have anything.
You have what? You don't have anything?
Did you do this?
Yeah, nice.
Good job.
I did it.
Yeah.
I did it. Yeah, nice. You want it? You want it? Russian?
Ooh,
included? Heavy. Hey, that's it. What's up? How you doing? Over there.
Okay, let me look around. I'll be
Yeah.
back. I'll be back. Very interesting. You know what I have? I have the G.I. Joe from 1965, the German.
Do you? I still have the. I got the Talking Joe as a kid. I still have him.
Yeah, those are great. Yeah.
It still works.
Really?
There's a lot of times that recorder would break, but mine still
Oh,
works.
there was something.
So yeah, I mean it was hot and heavy for a while. Now it's kind of dying out.
What, these?
No, I mean the show itself.
It died, all right.
Yeah, but now's the time you got to look.
But these things here, they go. It's like the stock market. They go peaks and valleys.
Yeah,
Sometimes
I
I'll
do.
sell a ton of them at one time. Other times I'll sell.
I mean, they're fantastic quality.
Oh yeah. Then I have the DID, which are even more detailed.
What's DID?
Dragon in Dreams. It's another company.
Is it even better quality?
Better detail, yeah. And they're a lot. Like you'd be paying like 2 to 3 times as much.
Wow.
Yeah. You'd be paying up to $200 for them. But the detail is like.
And Forces of Valor is a good company too.
Yeah, they don't make. Well, they just started reissuing. They just started reissuing.
Reissuing, okay.
But they want like $100 just for one piece. I'm like, you're not going to sell it. $100.
I've got, you know what I have? I bought a set of the Lastalin, but American soldiers, World War I.
Yeah.
With the cannon and everything.
Yeah, I have the one soldier there. World War
Where?
I.
Yes.
Yeah.
There you go. That's exactly what I got. The Lastalin.
You know what I sold today? I had 3 German ones with the horses and the carts. I sold them all today.
I think I saw them walking around.
No, well, I don't know. He maybe has them on his table, but I had them wrapped up.
Those are
So
great.
I have you know how many tin plate vehicles I have at home?
Do you have a lot?
I have the tin plate motorcycles.
But the old ones.
Yeah, the Isolines
But
and
you've been
collecting those. Yeah,
Are
especially
you-
the motorcycle.
You're not selling it. Right?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay, let me know because
Yeah,
I got a guy that's really nuts.
Like all my World War II Steins, they're all motorcycle armor.
Yeah, that's.
Motorcycle units.
Do you have any anti-Semitic signs?
No, that I don't have. I never got it. I never came across it, and I never really got into
I
it.
had one in my life. This
And
is
when I do see it,
amazing.
and when I do see it, watch it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, no, they're kind of loose. This guy here might fall off. They're all in action, yeah. See, they come with these little stands that you can put your feet in, so it makes it look like you're jumping off.
All right, brother.
All right, see you later.
Okay. You too. Yes.
There you go.
Got it. Hey, did you guys buy that CBI jacket?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a good one.
Yeah. Yeah, it's
I looked him up. He's a pilot.
local guy. Yeah, Altoona. So.
Yeah, no, he was a pilot.
Yeah. Yeah. So.
It was over. I just got turned off by the because I've never seen the band done correctly,
Right.
but it's still cool. Man.
Yeah.
It's worth it.
Just for the
Did Danny
history.
give you a good deal?
Yeah. Not bad. Yeah, I think we did some trade
Oh, okay, good.
and stuff. So.
Yeah, it's a good one.
Yeah. I liked it because of PA. It's a local guy.
Yeah,
So.
and I saw something else about Mitchell Field when I looked him up. Something about Mitchell Field.
Yeah, I haven't had a chance to do much, but.
Oh yeah, he comes up.
Okay.
Pretty cool. And how much is the jacket with the nice, beautiful patch on it?
They flew P-47s, and so he actually has. I think he has.
Good size.
He has a DFC and like 12 air medals or something. But so they flew D-Day.
Oh, so you did. So when it was on eBay, you didn't have all that.
No.
It was like something. I forget.
No,
Or
yeah.
was it you on it? I don't even know.
No,
if
it wasn't. No, it wasn't us.
Oh, you got it from eBay.
Well, yeah, we got it from the guy. Yeah,
okay,
yeah,
yeah, okay.
the guy that was.
Because I remember
Selling
saying,
it.
totally couldn't forget this. Well, that's great. So that's good. Hey, that's what it's all about, doing the homework.
Yeah, yeah. So yeah, they flew D-Day and Bulge.
So
they
JT
were-
Harris. Yeah, good. So here's my little Allentown purchases. Little, but still, you gotta go. First thing is this Seiko watch in really great condition. Military green. It's got the blue sticker on the back, and it's called the Arnie watch, made famous by Arnold Schwarzenegger. I love it. It's in perfect condition. Here's a bronze I got, which is of a French general, World War I. Signed. Yeah, he's good. Good quality. I got this salesman's gift from the Ford Motor Company. It's also bronze. Old as the hills. And I got this World War I French officers, World War II French officers artillery helmet. And right here is an American officer's visor cap. It's a crusher. When I say crusher, I mean you can bend the visor. It's in very good shape. And he's wearing a pair of World War II Ray-Bans. Not a bad little haul for a weekend.